Hey, are you looking for a good quality best mechanical keyboard from Aliexpress? I have fixed the keyboard of their high percentage selling rate, demand, and customer rating. All the links of the keyboards are in the description below the video. Subscribe on my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's enjoy this video. In at number 5, the keyboard is RGB Mix Backlit 87 Anti-Ghosting Mechanical Keyboard. Recently this keyboard price is $35.28. It has permanent lighting LED backlight and automatic ventilation and lighting. You choose the second backlight mode. You can, according to their preferences, it allows you to enter the game and respiration rate of a great atmosphere. In order to adjust the brightness of the backlight, it has an anti-ghosting technique when a quick response. It can play a plurality of working key games. Improve efficiency, both in the multimedia keys or gaming keys. The combination work 12 can be achieved. The PC gaming keyboard is constructed of metal ABS with plate-mounted mechanical keys and switches that stand up to tough gaming conditions. The 87 keys compact mechanical keyboard design frees up a workspace on your desk without sacrificing performance and comfort during gaming. This keyboard compatible with high quality, long service life and impact wear into a full panel of metal material. Slim cap design effectively suspends key, which is highly unique over 1 million times. Key half of laser engraving characters, do not fade. This computer gaming keyboard for Microsoft Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows Vista, or Windows XP, works well with all major computers brands PC computers, and laptops. In at number 4, the best mechanical keyboard is Motispeed K87S. Already this keyboard price is $52.95. This mechanical gaming keyboard with 9 RGB backlight effects, mechanical keyboard switches. Designed for longevity with greater durability and responsiveness. The switches are of the highest quality, tested for 50 million keystrokes. 5 different game modes, it can also be customized by the customer. Support 9 kinds of stunning LED lighting effects. The illuminated keyboard has double-shot injection molded keycaps. It provides transparent backlight and letters. Unique transparent crystal shell, it is very durable and will not scratch. The perfect mechanical keyboard for office or home use. Mini mechanical keyboard without separate number gaming keypad. It has compact ergonomic design and high-quality durable aluminum alloy ABS construction, with plate-mounted mechanical keys and switches. 87 keys space-saving mechanical keyboard design releases the workspace on your desk without sacrificing performance and comfort in-game sessions. No matter how many buttons press, respond, or trigger at the same time. All 87 keys have individual switches with full end key rollover and anti-ghosting for flawless performance. The 12 combinations of multimedia shortcut function. It is compatibility with Windows XP, 7, 8, 10 and Mac, etc. Every product from Motispeed will enjoy 30 days money back and a 12-month worry-free warranty. In at number 3, the keyboard is Skylung SK64. Now, its price is $67.50. As a 60% layout compact mechanical keyboard, the SK64 truly takes advantage of each inch to include 4 separate arrow keys for the ultimate experience. Moreover, equipped with Gateron optical switches, it not only ensures durability but also it is hot swappable. Hot swap keyboard allows you to replace it with other optical switches freely without soldering issues. The mainboard is designed with an IP6X dustproof design. No worries about dust or water splash on it. You are totally safe with it. The PBT sublimation keycaps are of high abrasive resistance and oil-proof. You are fully equipped to crush it both at work and in-game, ergonomics designed for long-time use without fatigue. 16 million RGB backlight. With backlighting that is implemented with understated functionality for each key in mind. RGB has never been more elegant than on the SK64. You can also set this kit's 16 million color LED to respond to music in musical rhythm mode. You can use the included software to create your own custom lighting scheme. It has Windows plus Mac layout and Type-C interface. Press keys to easily switch between Windows and Mac layout. Detailed Windows plus Mac layout meets the needs of each user to work efficiently. Type-C interface ensures a stable and convenient connection. SK64 is N-key rollover and anti-ghosting. You can register as many keys as you can press at once without missing out on characters in different modes. The onboard flash memory unit can storage configurations to the keyboard offline. In at second place, the keyboard is Motispeed CK108 Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. Already this keyboard price is $68.97. It is equipped with ultra-fast 2.4 GHz wireless transmission technology. This keyboard is more stable and reliable. The transmission distance is up to 10 meters. It also comes with a detachable USB cable. You can easily charge the keyboard as well as shifting to wired mode per your needs. 104 keys RGB backlit mechanical gaming keyboard with mechanical feeling keyboard switches, blue switches and black switches. Designed for longevity with greater durability and responsiveness. The switches are of the highest quality, tested for 50 million keystrokes. It has ergonomic design and high-quality durable illuminated panel and ABS construction with plate-mounted mechanical keys and switches. Supports 6 kinds of LED light effect, the full key no conflict. It is very durable and will not scratch. The perfect mechanical keyboard for office or home use. This keyboard automatically enters sleeping mode 1 to 2 minutes without operation and backlights off. Any key press will awaken and backlights on. Special double-shot injection molded keycaps never fade key color. Waterproof and dust-resistant, removable hand holder. This keyboard works perfectly for Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, 8, 10, etc. Every product from Motispeed will enjoy 30 days of money back and a 12-month worry-free warranty. In at number 1, the keyboard is Kemove Snowfox 61-key mechanical keyboard. Recently this keyboard price is $89.99. Kemove is a new ID brand, focusing on high quality, sophisticated appearance, and design. Kemove devotes itself to making every keyboard become a practical artwork. Just like this keyboard, 61 keys, minimal layout plus exquisite appearance and powerful functions. Free up more space and give you a richer gaming experience. The function character is engraved on the side of the keycap to avoid wear. This keyboard is pairing with up to 3 devices and switch among them seamlessly. Certified by the Bluetooth Association BQB, stronger stability and connection speed, perfectly compatible with all Bluetooth 5.1. It does work well with Windows, iOS, Mac operating systems, and more devices. It has PBT double-shot curved keycaps. This keycaps guarantee not only a much higher oil resistance and hardness than ABS keycaps, but also ensure the keycaps' light transmission, making them excellent in lighting effects. The curved keycaps also provide you with an extraordinary feeling. Through the powerful software of Kemove, you can personalize functions as you like, customize advanced features and offline macro. The software enables you to arbitrarily remap keys and assign macros or commands to specific key combinations on 4 individual layers. There are 16 million colors, you can customize the lighting effects as you want, much more. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.